So guys, now that we've created our refined bottom navigation, let's create a component out of this to make our switching easy. Now, pick the element, like I said, duplicate it, bring it down, always name your elements. So here we call this nav, bottom navigation, anyone you want to name, right? Now let's do this. Now what I want to achieve here is simple. I want to do an indicator of these four screens, right? I want a situation where we can have this to indicate that we're in home, explore screen, message screen, and profile screen. So I would like to start by reducing. Yeah, we can use this. We can change the color here, right? Now let's add this to a component. Create component simply by clicking this button. Add a variant. Now look at the naming here. You find that it's variant 2. This is default. So let's leave this as default and let's change this to indicate home. So what I like to do now, you see the reason for creating for choosing a field and a line icon. So I will just add it here. Now, one of the advantages of auto layout, like you've seen, is easy placement. Look, it shows you that line. If I release it, it has assumed that position. All I need to do here simply is to hide this guy. Boom. Now watch. I will click on the whole element to show the both colors, right? So now I want to highlight home. So what I'm going to do simply is let's use the color blue, right? Apply it to the text as well. Now see guys, easy identification, right? Now let's name this in our variant to be what? Home. Now we have two. We have default and we have home. Let's create one for explore, right? Come here. Let me drag this down a bit. So drag, place it. Advantage again of auto layout. Hide this. You might delete it, but I tend to hide most of my elements in case I need to reuse them. Change the colors. Now you can name this variant to explore. Let's create another variant, messages. Now drag the field one, hide the line icon, change the colors, name it to what? Messages. Now let's do the fourth variant. Drag it, place it, hide this guy. You want to change the color as well. Name this words profile. Always remember to name all of them. So I like to keep this as default in case you are in a different page other than this phone. right? Now that we've created our bottom nav, let's see how it looks like on our design or on a screen. Let's create a new screen. Now, because you have created this as a component, right? And you've named it bottom nav, you can now go to your assets and search, say bottom nav. Look at it here. So just drag it, place on your work, make sure it is aligned. Boom. Now, this is good to have it in component and variants. In case you are designing multiple screens and you want to quickly illustrate all of these screens, right? You can simply come here and switch and say this is default, this is home, to indicate home. Come here, switch, say explore. Come here, switch messages. Come here, switch profile. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.